Right, the most amazing sesame crusted tuna. This is delicious, healthy, and very simple to do.
Brush with egg white. Crust.
Beautiful.
Sear.
Searing the tuna like this cooks it twice as fast. Now for the garnish.
Red peppers. Yellow peppers.
Sake in.
Deglaze.
Beautiful.
Yuzu. Rice wine vinegar. Sesame oil. Soy sauce.
That's the glaze for the noodles. Delicious.
Soba noodles.
And she goes, literally 3.5 minutes. Drain off the noodles.
Mix.
Start to marinate those noodles.
Cilantro. Fresh mint. Japanese shiso leaf. Scallions.
And now for the exciting part.
Plate. Sesame crusted tuna with asparagus, sugar snap peas, soba noodles and soy sake glaze. Done.